How to use text-to-speech in CapCut. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Firstly, open up your CapCut application. Make sure that it is up to date. The first step is to select a video. I'll be selecting one from my draft. Once your video totally loads up, go ahead and select the section where you want to add your text-to-speech. Then select Add Text. Now in here, first and foremost, go ahead and type in anything that you want to include. You can select font, style, spacing and animations from here as well, if you want to display it on the screen. So you can follow these steps, or you can even skip this step. Once done, just go ahead and tap on the tick mark icon at the top. Now if you don't want the text to be involved in the screen, all you have to do is push it very down off the screen or arrange it somewhere in between. At the bottom, you will see text-to-speech icon. Tap on there, and here you have to select a voice. You have a lot of options of male, female, anime, meme song, English and Spanish. Select any of the option and give it a play for a preview. Once you are done, tap on the tick mark. And just like that, the speech will be generated. And that is how you can easily use your text-in-speech feature on CapCut. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.